Probably would have helped if I recorded the first one too, but hey, I'm doing the second one. That's what matters here. Second one. Critical value. Don't try anything yet. First critical value, what would make this undefined? There's only one fraction up there. What makes it undefined? What value for k? 1. So we know 1 is a critical value, and it will go on our number line in a minute. Next step, solve. I just need a little more room to write, so I'm just going to copy it down here. 4 over 1 minus k equals k plus 3. Common denominator. 1 minus. I know, I'm just moving it down here. I know, I get it. I'm just moving it down here so I get some room. I'm a big writer. 1 minus k? Okay. So that will get multiplied by 1 minus k. Well, what else is going to get multiplied by 1 minus k?
K plus 3, K and plus 3, K 3 class.
These are separated by the plus sign, so they get multiplied by it as well, both of them. All right, what crosses out? 1 minus k, what's left?
4.
Ready? 4 equals, nothing crosses out, so you end up distributing. Whoop. Oh, 15. What do I end up getting when I distribute? I'm right here now. Because nothing crosses out, there is no denominator, so. Minus. K, you got k times 1, which gives me. You got it. Next one, when you take the 3 and distribute it, what are you going to be left with? Because there's nothing to cross out. Oh, let's go, 5. Garbage. These field trips. 15 again. Here we go. Good. Clean up the garbage here. Clean it up. Combine your like terms. Let me know what you're left with when you combine whatever you can. No, you're good. You're good. Unless 15 comes up again, you're good. Thanks for showing off, though. Oh, here we go. Okay, ready? What up here can you combine? Yep. Doesn't matter. Here, negative k squared, go.
Negative k squared minus 2k.
Perfect, and what's still left? Good. You're fine. We just got to have some confidence. That's the problem in here. We got to have more confidence. Here. We talked on Friday if you were here. You can't do any factoring unless what?
It's
Equal to 0. Now, I know it's convenient for people just to boot the 4 over. It's very convenient. I'm not a big fan of that. Anybody know why? I don't like the negative k squared. I always like it to be positive, whatever squared. So is everyone all right just moving the right over to the left? When we do that, I will have my k squared, which makes me feel warm inside. Negative 2k, what happens? Plus 2k. And then when I move the 3 over, I'm going to subtract it. And what's my new number here on the left? Plus 1. Now it's equal to 0. Now you can show off in your factoring. Yeah, I know this one is a tough one.
I got this.
Really pushing the limit here. Really pushing the limit. 1.
Oh, I was joking. Now I got to do it. K plus 1 along with also and k plus 1.
Good job. What's my answer here? K equals, there's only 1, even though it comes up twice. 15! There you go. Which is now another critical value. We got this.
This is easy, man.
Put it on the number line now. -1 and 1. What's up, Spencer? Question, boss? Where are we here? Here? Okay, ready? Could I have moved the 4 over to make it equal to 0? Yeah, but I never like whatever squared to be negative. I don't deal with that too well. So what I did was I moved the k squared over, negative k squared over, -2 over to the left, and 3 over to the left. And that's where this came up with. Good? All right. Somebody's got some power now. 3. Tell me numbers you would like to test. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How about over here first? -2. If you pick any other number. 0. I'll take a half. No, you'll get out of here. 0 and 2. Yep. So what I need you guys to do right now, and I think you can handle this on your own right now, is in your calculator, test -2, test 0, and then test 2. And we'll talk about where our solution is. And again, if you want to use k, that's fine. If you want to use x, that's fine. Just make sure you keep using x all the way through. So go right ahead. Make sure you're doing number 2, not number 3 when you store. What do you guys, did -2 work?
I thought so.
I got 4/3 is greater than 1.
Then it is. It does work.
Is 4/3 greater than 1?
Last time I checked.
Remember, 4/3 is a number, if you do it in your calculator, it's 1 point something. So it works. What about 0? Did 0 work? 4 greater than 3?
No. Oh, wait.
0 didn't work?
Oh, yeah, it did. I said no.
4 greater than 3.
Yeah, I checked it too.
4 greater than 3.
Yeah, I wrote it down correctly. I just said the wrong thing with my mouth and stuff.
Oh, I don't even want to know what's going to come up here. Is -4 greater than 5?
Nah.
Woo.
I wrote it down, man.
Ready? We're doing k, right? So k such that, is this somebody ready to explain to me where my solution is? 7? Four is here. Just in words, before I write it down mathematically. Where are all my solutions right now? Use greater than, use less than, everything less than 1. Okay, so k such that k is less than 1, should it get an or equal to? Ready? Here's how we know. 1, was it a solution or an undefined value?
That was an undefined value.
Undefined or a solution? Undefined. Do undefines ever get or equal to's?
Never.
Done. We feeling okay somewhat?
All right so far.
All right, I'm not going to go full hands off. I'll start you with it. Here's the deal. I'll do this problem with you till you have to factor. All good? Good deal, and then you take it from there. Okay? All right, here we go. First thing on 3, I need to know from somebody. What is your critical values here? I say values, but it's only one value here. What is the critical value to start out with? 2. 2. Look at that. How convenient. It is 2. All right, everyone, deep breath. Here we go, because we're going to solve this beast now.
Hardest one yet.
It is. And it's the only reason why it's tough is, I don't know, maybe you might struggle with the common denominator. What is your common denominator here? And even if you're wrong, who cares? I want you to at least try it. At least try something. I don't care if you're wrong. I'm not going to grill you for it. 1.
X minus 2.
Yep.
Times 4 times 3.
Yes.
All right.
But can we clean up that 4 times 3 for me?
Yeah, you can multiply them together and get to 12.
There you go. There's your common denominator. 12 times, what was the other one?
X minus 2.
Yeah. Guys, look. There's nothing to factor. There's nothing in common. So it's all the leftovers now, which is all of them. And multiply your 3 times 4. Nice job, stud. Okay, I'll take this one at a time. If I multiply this first one by 12 times x minus 2, what's going to cancel? Because something will cancel. That always should cancel. Because remember, I need to get these denominators out of there. Something should always cancel. Oh, 5. Good job. 6. Yep.
You can cancel out the denominator and put 4 up top.
Great job. All good? Ooh, this is the first time we've seen this, though. How many things are you multiplying in this case? You got the 4. You got the x minus 2, and then there's 3 you got to multiply all together. Take 2. Don't do all 3. What are the easiest 2 to multiply right now? 4 and x gives you what? 4x. Great. Now take that 4x and multiply it by what? And you don't have to write this. I'm just showing you. Okay, let's do it. What do you got for me now? 4x squared minus. Take the 2 easiest and multiply it, and then multiply it with the third one. Next. What's going to, oh, this one's nice, huh? 12 times x minus 2. What will cancel out here? This is real nice on this one. 9. Darn right they will. And what's left?
12.
Minus 12. Oh boy, here we go. Now we get a little rough. Good. The OCD was kicking in there. Okay. What's canceling out here? You got it. What's going to cancel out? Oh, 5.
No.
Great job. 12. Great job. 7. 1.
Hey, that's me.
What cancels out?
The 4 is out of here for good, for sure. And then on the top, you're going to have 3.
Okay. Oh, stop.
Whoa.
Again, how many things do you have to multiply, guys? I got the x plus 1. I got the 3, and I got the x minus 2. 2 at a time. You tell me, what do you want to multiply first? Just take 2 right now. A 3 and what else? X minus 2. Go ahead. What's that going to give me? 3x minus 6. And I still have to multiply that by what? X plus 1. So you guys got to do a little foiling there. And this is where I am going to go hands off now. Hey, you know what I mean? Double distribute. Combine like terms. Move everything over to one side. Get it equal to 0 and start factoring for me. All right, let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can pull off. And you should have, here's a hint, 3 critical values. You're undefined, and you should get 2 solutions here. 2 solutions. See how far you can go here. How quickly you're I don't know how quickly you're working, but minus 5x minus 6.
Oh, I totally.
Anybody find 2 numbers that satisfy that one? What?
Sorry, where'd that come from?
I foiled. Combine my like terms, and I got 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. Move the 3x squared over. I got x squared. Added 3x over. I got negative 5x. Added 6 over. Right here. And got negative 6. All equal to 0. What?
What I did personally is I factored that, but you can't factor it. I factored like both sides.
No. Get what can't factor unless what? Equal to 0. Anybody find the numbers?
Yeah.
Multiply to 6, but add. So if you think 3 and 2 might work, but it's not going to add to negative 5. So it's got to be negative 6 and 1. So you get out x equals 6 and x equals negative 1. 2 more critical values. So now 6 and negative 1 are our critical values up here. So yeah, we're going to have to do some serious testing, aren't we? Because you'll have, let's see, I want to go in order here. Negative 1, you'll have 2, and you'll have 6. Yep. But thankfully, the calculator does a lot of work. That's why I say use the darn thing. You guys are going to be shocked how much we use it preparing for the Regents. 4, your call here. Negative 1 outside. What do you want me to test? Sure, why not, right? How about in between negative 1 and 2? You better just pick one. 0, yeah. In between 2 and 6? Outside 6. All right, let's test them. Plug them in as far as we can go up to the bell here. And this is a 2-day topic. We're going to keep continuing on tomorrow, but if you want to try it, you guys have more than enough info to try some of the assignment, which looks like a solid 4 problems I'm assigning. Whew. Tomorrow, you're on your own, all right? It's a lot of me just sitting on one-on-one with you tomorrow, making sure we're picking this up.